Hi, it's Jan Diatri. Welcome to the 1 Minute Kitchen. Eggs just got elegant with these simple brunch cups. A little side of cinnamon roll and breakfast is served. So here's what you'll need. 1 egg for each cup. Then you decide the menu. You could make brunch cups with ham, Canadian bacon, even salmon. Line your cupcake tin with your meats or salmon. Crack an egg into each cup, then pour just a teaspoon of milk or cream around the eggs. A little sprinkle of pepper, and into the oven it goes at 350 degrees. Now, here's a great way to fancy up refrigerated cinnamon rolls. Roll them all together to form one continuous log. Then snip the top part of the log, spread the pieces apart, alternating sides, and bake. When the eggs come out, top them with sliced or shredded cheese. And when the cinnamon rolls come out, drizzle with the icing. Gourmet breakfast cups and fancied up pull-apart cinnamon rolls. An easy and elegant way to start the day. We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.